Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So with the video title, you guys have known that we are going to give our review and share our thoughts about this movie Dil Bechara.
Yes, so we have Sushant Singh Rajput ji here, Sanjana Sanghi, Sahil Bhaid, Shashwato Chatterjee and Swastika Mukherjee.
They are the main
leads of the movie.
Yes.
So let's talk about the movie first, and then we will be like giving our thoughts or review, whatever you
Yes.
call it, after that. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो
Yes.
चलो शुरू करते हैं.
So we started watching this movie with our heavy hearts. We
Yes.
knew that it would be very hard for us to watch this movie, but still, this was the last movie, and we are going to see him last time for his last
Smiling.
movie in this smiling face. So
Yeah.
we plan to watch this movie.
So
yes.
yesterday only we watched this movie when the
Yeah.
movie got released, but trust me, it was not easy to give the reaction or review on that time because our hearts were like filled with grief
Yes.
and sadness. Like we cannot see him again. This is the the hard
Most-
thing, most
hard thing
that we
faced.
cannot.
Share our
Tolerate, we cannot
thoughts also, yes.
share the thoughts also on that time, so that's why we have decided to give the reactions tomorrow, that is today.
Yes.
So that is why we are here. So let's talk about the movie first. What is the
Yes.
theme, what is the storyline and everything, okay?
Right.
So the movie is all about a emotional journey of two youngsters, okay?
Yes.
One is Kizi Basu, who is a Bengali girl, and she is having cancer,
Yes.
and she's struggling. She each and every day she has to take a lot of medicines, and she cannot even live her life without a
Even she has to
oxygen cylinder.
carry that oxygen cylinder
Every
every
time.
time with her
With
wherever
her.
she is going.
Yeah, so that is a very tough life, and her mother and father, like parents, are very worried about her. Okay, so this kind of family, Bengali,
Yeah.
typical Bengali family, and one guy is there. His name is Manny, who is
Right.
Sushant Singh Rajput's
Yes.
character.
His name is Emmanuel Rajkumar, and he is
Yeah.
a very fun-loving kind of guy.
Yeah.
He used to crack jokes and lot of the things. His smiling face is that only generally own our hearts.
So he is very much smiling, and he's a little bit flirty also as well. When he
Yes.
first saw Kizi Vasu, he was like, okay, this girl is very sweet and attracts the attentions, kind of
Yes.
like that was only there in the movie. And then he came to Kizi Vasu and started talking to her. Okay,
Right.
so what's your name and why you are coming here, what is the issue and everything. And she was firstly, she didn't like that because
right, she was feeling very irritated
Irritated.
on him.
Yes.
So later on, after a few days, they both become good friends. She started
Yeah.
liking him.
Yes.
So that journey starts with him, and she also started spending some good time with Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. Yeah. So after that, Emmanuel was invited to
Yes.
her house, and her parents also, started talking to her. Initially, her mother also was not that good with Emmanuel, because he is that kind of it's very fun-loving and always cracks jokes, and
Yes.
he's like that only, very smiling face. Okay, so they thought, okay, he's not serious about his life, but he is also dealing something that will understand at the very end of the movie. But at the beginning only we got to know that Emmanuel's one leg was not there. Okay,
So some artificial leg was there.
leg was there. So he is also dealing something. So in the meantime, when they become a very good friends, Emmanuel got to know that Kizi Vasu is a big fan of one singer.
Yes.
His name is Abhimanyu Veer.
Veer.
But one song, which is the most famous song, and Kizi loves to
that
listen
song.
repeatedly that
Yes,
song.
right.
That song is not fully completed.
Yes.
Okay, so as a cancer patient, she knows that her life is very short,
So,
and
before dying, she
Yeah.
wanted to know why this song did not got ended properly,
Yeah.
and why it's not got completed. What is the story behind that song?
Yes.
She wanted to know everything.
Correct.
But Abhimanyu Beer, who is the singer and the writer of this song, he somehow fled somewhere out of India, you can say.
Yeah.
But nobody has contact of him. So somehow this Manny, he got that contact and found that contact, and
He started
was-
talking.
He started to talking with him, and
they got to know that he lives in Paris.
Yes.
Okay, so it is all credit goes to Emmanuel only, because he
Yes.
only got the information of Abhimanyu Veer, because as he is a very big singer,
Yes.
it is not easy to get to know everything about him.
Yes, and
So
also
they,
he is living outside the India, so
yeah,
it will be very tough to get the address or contact of
everything,
him.
huh?
Everything. Yes.
So they decided to go to Paris instead of the bad health. They didn't care about anything, and they went to Paris just to
Yes.
meet Abhimanyu Veer.
Yes, because
uh,
that was her life motto only to
yes,
get the context why that song was not completed. So
completed,
before
huh?
dying, she wanted to know. So they planned to go to Paris, and
Yes.
after I think a few days they left for Paris, and there also that meeting with Abhimanyu it was not good. So again, Kiji was
Very
feeling very
depressed,
depressed or
very depressed,
feeling
ha,
very
ha, ha.
bad.
Very bad. And this kind of situation is not good for cancer patient,
Yes,
okay?
right.
So that is why Emmanuel tried his level hard to make her
Right.
happy
Many tried so much.
so much.
Yes.
He was like
And
a very good friend as
friend,
well as a
yes.
very good guide also. Like every time he was behind her only, Kizzy
Yes.
only. Whenever, like wherever she is going, he is just there only, that yeah,
Yes.
Kizzy, I'm there, I will be completing the
Yes.
song and everything. So there was a not good experience. They thought okay, they will understand a lot more thing about the
Right.
singer and everything, but the singer was full on arrogant and he didn't talk also properly.
Right.
So in that situation, in Paris, they become more
They came
close.
more closer to
Yes,
them.
more than a friends, you can say,
Yes.
more than friends. And they shared some intimate moments also as well. So that was a very nice experience for her and for Emmanuel also as
Yes.
well. Then they returned back to India, and
And
there only
then
the
again
tragic
that
situation,
second part of
second part of
that tragic part you can say
because
started.
till now it was very sweet, it was
Sweet,
full
it
on
was
romance, it was very
going
good
very good,
to,
and also we
yeah,
love that every picturized and
yeah,
every not only emotional, in little bit emotional touch
yeah.
was there, and along with that lot of jokes and
Uh-huh.
good things was there. So
And
we
his
love that.
acting, Sushant Singh's acting is outstanding.
Yes.
He is full lively,
Yeah,
full
his original expression was
yeah,
coming out.
childish kind
It's
of.
not like that he was acting in front of a camera. It
Correct.
seems like whatever we used to be in front of somebody.
Yes, it was like
it was
that
showing
only.
like that.
Correct. We forgot to mention that they decided to make a film.
Yes.
Manny and his friend JP. So he is also dealing with eye cancer. Okay, so they were thinking that their life's motto is only to make a film, and they were searching for a heroine.
Yes.
So in the meantime, they approached to Kizzy that will you be the heroine? And at first she was not ready because she was irritated. We told like, so after that when they became good friends, she was like okay, I will be doing the scenes.
Yes. After returning from the
Yeah.
Paris, also Manny's health was not good. He
Yeah.
is also dealing with some problem, some cancer problem.
So that was not mentioned in the beginning of the movie.
Yes.
He only told to Kizzy that I am having cancer, and it is like my health situation is very bad now and I don't have much time. So
Yes.
Kizzy completely broke down
Broke
because
down.
she doesn't have any idea, okay,
Correct.
that she thought okay, I am having the cancer and I have to deal with my life. But it is very difficult that when you love somebody and he is also having the same problem, he didn't share that earlier.
Yes.
It was very problematic. That scene was executed superbly.
Superbly.
Both
And
are
it was too
crying
much
like anything, emotional. You cannot control your tears.
Yes.
Okay, that scene was like that heavy. And within a few time span, Manny left us.
Yes.
Okay, but before that he told them
completed that movie as
completed
well.
that movie.
So
And
that was broadcasted after he died.
his death.
So
Yeah,
I think
yes.
it's a coincidence or something like that, that this Dil Bechara movie was also
Correct.
a bit same kind of context, and it was matching with his life also.
His life.
We are watching this Dil Bechara movie after he left us. So
Seriously,
and also
some
in
of the
that
dialogues
movie,
are very heart touching.
Yeah,
Like
yes.
it was completely relatable with his real life also.
Right.
Like जीना और मरना हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन जिंदगी कैसे जीनी है वो हमारे हाथ में है. That is very
very
heart touching. And
also some of the songs
Yeah.
was there in behind that song, a lot of the meanings was there, that was also too much heart touching as well.
so like each and every films of Sushant Singh Rajput ji, always he
left
brings
some of the
messages.
Yes.
Here also at the
Here also,
very end movie, very last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput ji, he has shared that also, the positive
Yes.
message that you are dealing a lot of
A lot
problems
of
in your
problems in
life,
your life.
but
Still
don't
make other happy.
other happy. Just
Yes.
spread happiness, you also be happy. Don't
Yes.
think about that how much time is in your hand and what will be happen next. Just don't
Yes.
think about that. Just live your life, make everyone happy, and that is the remarkable impact which you
Yes.
will leave.
I think that was the
That is
motto
the
of
most.
his
I
life
cannot
also.
speak. My
Yes.
throat is somehow not like paining. It's very hard
Yes.
to tell. Like it's unbelievable that this
Unbelievable.
actor is
Still,
not there with
right,
us.
exactly. We are not still believing that he is not with us. Uh, while watching, also, we felt like when we started with that movie, we were too much grief inside us. But
Yeah.
after watching some of the clips where he is smiling, it
We're like,
made
okay,
us
yes,
smile
comfortable.
also. Yes,
We are very uncomfortable previously, but he's acting only. His appearances are so good
so
that
good.
makes us
Yeah.
comfortable. Okay, we can see this movie. We are like,
Yes.
we cannot see. Previously
Right.
we were like feeling, but no, the movie is a blockbuster. It is a
Yes.
super movie. I wish के सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जी जिंदा होते तो
That's
वो
very
बहुत खुश
saddest
होते.
part.
He would be very happy if he sees this kind of
Yes.
responses. Everyone loves this movie. Okay, not we. I think
Right.
we have seen in our social media also
Yes.
that
Everybody
is
loves
loving this
this
movie.
movie, and also on IMDb they are giving 9.8 rating,
Ratings.
and that is
That is
absolutely great for anybody.
anybody and any movies. I think very less numbers of movies are having this kind of ratings,
Yes,
right?
that's true.
So to be very frank, we didn't even notice the screenplay, the cinematography, the picturization, the directions. We couldn't see that. Okay, we only noticed
Yes.
Sushant Singh Rajputji's acting,
Yes, totally we are
and
focusing on him only.
each execution of the films.
Yes.
That is only we have noticed. And because this film is a completely different kind of film where the actor is not with us, so
Exactly. So
every time our focus, our mind and everything is like
was diverting on him
on that,
itself,
on that thing only.
and also he has done suicide. So currently still we are not able to believe that
He
he
has
done
not done suicide,
Yes,
actually.
I
He
think
was
he's
killed.
totally murdered
Yeah.
by somewhere. I don't know.
So we
that-
want CBI inquiry.
Yes.
And that is what is the most important thing. We got to know that CBI inquiry, somewhere in, I saw in social media that Maharashtra police or Maharashtra government only have told that CBI inquiry is not needed.
required.
Is not
Yes,
required. I don't know
some
whether it
person
is
from
a
Maharashtra government I've seen, but he is still
fake or
everybody
true,
is
but we
demanding,
want that.
and yes, of course we are going to get a CBI inquiry on
Yeah,
this.
he was a
So-
very great personality.
person.
He
We
has done a
haven't
lot of
seen-
things
we haven't
for
seen
India.
any personality like that in
Correct.
our Bollywood.
In our
Currently, I
Bollywood,
haven't
ah.
seen, because he is
Correct.
totally, his mind was so much sharp, and he has done a lot of things for the society also, and he has lot of plans also.
Plans, 50 plans.
Yes,
He
he's listed down
he
in
listed
his
down.
paper, and he stick in different walls of his rooms.
that is very incredible.
Right.
No other celebrities have this kind of dreams to go to
Yes.
NASA, to do
Right.
for farmers, to make the children educated for NASA. Okay, this kind of thing is very.
Exactly. I have never seen him saying that I want to build my career in Bollywood itself. From my first day to last day, I will be in Bollywood. But his plan was something different beyond that.
Beyond that, he
So
wants to
that
go
was
to
a
Kailash.
great thing, but
Like what not? It is unforgettable, unbelievable that he is a great personality, and whatever happened to him, it's a very bad thing. Okay, so
yes. And
we
also
want
it's
CBI
very
inquiry.
unfortunate, and for us also, we didn't knew so much of his plan he had before he died.
He died.
That
So
was
that is
also-
the thing, actually. No, he never got proper responses from the media,
Exactly.
also from the film
Everybody.
industry, also
Yes.
nepotism and everything. That is why
Right.
this
He didn't got
situation.
that much focus.
Yeah, that is what actually.
Yes.
So this movie also, to be very frank, I am telling this movie also, if he is alive, no, this movie will not be getting that much attention. Now only it is getting attention because he is no more, and people can understand
Understand the
that
pain,
the
that
pain,
feel.
the
Yes.
loneliness, the emptiness of that
Right.
place.
Right. Now the people can understand what situation he was going through.
Yes.
Because earlier it was not that much highlighted, that much focused. So at least in this situation, at least we are supporting, we are with him, and also we are praying that he will get some good
Justice, yes.
Yes.
So please go and watch this movie and make this movie as successful as you can.
Yes, a big super hit. You can
Yeah,
say.
so that is it for today's video. If you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.